Language is one of the defining traits of the human species. It's also one of the most mysterious. Where did language come from? Did we create it? Did it evolve? Or is it a remarkable gift from God? It's an important question, so let's talk about it. For most of history, a divine origin of language was assumed and largely unquestioned. When Darwinism removed this supernatural foundation, it needed to supply a new explanation. The initial results were far from satisfying, such as the ding-dong, bow-wow, ta-ta, and poo-poo hypotheses. For real, look them up. However, two primary theories emerged. First, language is simply a cultural tool invented by humans. However, if language is such a powerful tool, why have only humans invented it? And why are humans the only ones seemingly capable of inventing it? Language is a distinctly human ability. Every experiment to teach language, spoken or sign, to primates has failed. If human language developed naturally, then we'd expect to find some intermediate or proto-forms of it in the animal kingdom, and yet we do not. In fact, linguists are hard-pressed to even imagine what a hypothetical partial language might be. The uniqueness of human language, along with the many inexplicable language universals, suggest a biological distinction, not a cultural one. Therefore, the second major evolutionary theory of language holds that humans are innately hardwired for language. Proponents of this theory claim that an evolutionary Big Bang resulted in the appearance of a biological language organ or grammar gene. Yet there are significant problems with this approach as well. First, no language organ or grammar gene has ever been discovered, leaving it as more a Darwinian fantasy than an actual biological fact. Second, it's largely incompatible with Darwinian theory. Language only offers a survival advantage in the context of community. A single organism with a language ability would possess no advantage. It would have no way of even knowing that they possess such a valuable linguistic gift. And third, there is an irreducible complexity to language, requiring the interconnection of many abilities, both psychological and physiological, which have little value when divorced from the unified whole. In the end, neither of the current evolutionary theories can explain the language phenomenon. Therefore, perhaps it's time to revisit pre-Darwinian explanation. The Bible tells us that God created the universe through the spoken word. John 1:1 says, "In the beginning was the Word." The words, language, tongue, speech, and word appear over 1,400 times in the Bible. The first specific task God gives Adam in the garden is to go name the animals. While Darwinists remain tongue-tied, the Bible speaks clearly. It would seem that humanity's first inclination of a divine origin for language also remains its best. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I hope you guys will continue to collide with your world for Christ.